I just got dispatched a load coming out of Claremore, Oklahoma, deliver in Minot, North Dakota, and then spend a couple of days fishing Devil's Lake. Welcome to Truckin' Outdoors. My name is Dave Estenson. I've turned my lifelong love of the outdoors, travel, and trucking into a lifestyle. As a professional long-haul trucker, I am lucky with loads that take me to the most beautiful and remote regions of North America. After safely delivering on time, I make time for fishing and going afield with Sterling, my chocolate lab. I'm a retired police officer who proudly served his community. And I also want to share some of the best our great country has to offer.
Keep going.
And I'm ready to share my truckin' outdoors adventure via the Big Red Sled, my custom Peterbilt 386, basically a fishing lodge on 18 wheels.
I'm Dave. This is my co-pilot Sterling. You're watching Truckin' Outdoors TV. I've been driving past Devil's Lake for years, hauling out into the oil fields. So now it's time to take the adventure to the next level. I've heard it's called Devil's Lake because a preacher drowned there way back in the 1800s. Everyone that ice fishes knows about Devil's Lake, and they want to fish there. I've been driving past it for years, so now it's time to finally get that done.
Just so you know, if you've never hauled coils or reels, anything like this on a flatbed, the last thing you want to hear is you need 5 racks. Because that pretty much guarantees you're going to be using almost every piece of equipment on your trailer to secure it down. And I ain't kidding you. But we got it done. That's not going anywhere. Tarp system engaged. Okay. If you can't tell, we're in Oklahoma. I'm sure you can hear it on the microphone. That wind is whistling down the plains. Whistling? Whipping? I don't know. Something down the plains. It's windy out here. That's what I'm trying to get at. Oh, look at that. Past the pre-trip. We're good to go. Let's rock and roll. It is Monday, barely. It is so early in the morning that a lot of people would still consider this Sunday night. But anyway, I couldn't sleep. I got a long way to go. And today we are going to be checking off one of my bucket list items. The goal is to be fishing this afternoon, Devil's Lake, North Dakota.
Devil's Lake, everyone. We made it out here. It is gorgeous. Next spot.
Trucking Outdoors TV with Dave and his dog Sterling and the Big Red Sled is brought to you by D&E Transport. D&E Transport, delivering reliable service with every flatbed load. Welcome to the world of D&E Transport, delivering reliable service with every flatbed load. Based in Clearwater, Minnesota, D&E is hiring qualified company drivers and owner-operators. D&E is proud of their first-class dispatcher team who find the right load and get the drivers home. D&E is backed up by a world-class shop with factory-trained technicians, big company benefits with small company pride. Prompt, personal, professional attention comes in every load with D&E Transport.
Unwind, relax, slow down in the land of woods, waters, and world-class events. The Hayward Lakes area in Sawyer County, Wisconsin. Plan your getaway now at haywardlakes.com.
Are you over 50? Would you like to get up to 33% more income in retirement? Then call now for this free book, Annuity Do's and Don'ts for Baby Boomers, from a leading financial firm on maximizing your income in retirement. That's right, free. This free book reveals little-known secrets about annuity strategies in simple-to-understand terms that will help you make the right choices before buying an annuity. And it's free. Call right now for your free book, and as a bonus, we'll also throw in a free annuity rate report. We researched over 1,200 annuities and summarized the rates and benefits of annuities from financially strong insurers. Again, that's Annuity Do's and Don'ts for Baby Boomers and a free annuity rate report, both absolutely free, for calling Annuity General today. Supplies are limited. Call now.
Call 800-925-1641. That's 800-925-1641.
As Dave gets ready to pull the load across America, he checks in with the dispatch team at D&E Transport.
The heart of the operation right here. This is it.
The D&E dispatchers are great at finding the right loads and work as a team with the drivers. The on-site shop at D&E is also a big advantage, as the factory-trained techs keep the trucks rolling.
Well, welcome back. So we've delivered our load in Minot, North Dakota, and we have started fishing on Devil's Lake. Fishing's been tough. Devil's Lake is one of the premier fisheries in the United States, and I've been driving past it for years. If not now, when? I've got my gear, I've got the track sled. It's time to go fishing. Making my way across the lake here. Gone about 3 miles so far. On my way that way. You can see some more people over there fishing. I got a tip from the bait shop guy that there's better fishing over on this point over here. So I'm kind of making it straight across the lake. And I'll tell you, on these big lakes, it's actually, you know, something to not mess around with out here. There's plenty of ice, don't get me wrong. You don't have to worry about that. I drilled over there and there had to have been, I don't know, at least 24 inches of ice over there. But on these big bodies of water, you can get these frost heaves or these ice flows. You know, just these heaves and cracks, pressure points that create big ridge lines. And out here on this overcast day, I have absolutely zero perception of contour. I can't see any bump or snow drift or tire track or anything like that until I'm literally right on top of it. There's just no depth, no perception. Let me show you what I'm talking about with these ice flows. So that's where I came from, way over there. I'm going way over there. But I just came across this mini ice floe. This is nothing terrible. Like I said, there's no perception of contour out here. So there's a chunk of ice that heaved up here, and you can see there's a line of it going all the way across, and it goes back that way too. You know, I'm only going 10, 15 miles an hour on my little track sled here. But it's a snowmobile doing 50 across here. So just something I gotta watch out for. Hopefully we'll be fishing soon. Alright. Get some! Yep, we got some. All right, let's see if we can find something. Something. One fish. 20 feet that way. And it's gone. One over there. There. That way. How did that same fish? Just making a big circle. Well, we're in the area of a bunch of other fish. So I'm gonna keep hopping around here, see if I can't find something a little more promising. You know, more than just one fish in a billion miles. We'll keep moving. We'll find them. Don't worry.
Ready, set, wrench. When we return, are you ready for our track sled project? From a brutal day, busted miles in the backlands, back to the Trucking Outdoors garage, with tips and garage hacks along the way.
Trust me, the track sled is gonna work.
Trucking Outdoors is brought to you by the Hayward Lakes Visitors and Convention Bureau in beautiful Hayward Lakes, Wisconsin. Woods, water, and world-class events make Hayward, Wisconsin special.
Welcome back to Truckin' Outdoors. It's time to look in the toolbox and let's get an update with the track sled build. It's portable, I can take it with me on the truck, and it'll take me anywhere I want to go as long as there's snow on the ground.
Okay, don't mind all the burrs. I still got to clean them up. But that's going to be right where we need it. Look at that. Might actually work. Look at that precision welding. There's one thing you will never, ever, ever hear me do, and that's brag about welding. I am not a good welder, but doesn't matter. It'll work. That ain't going nowhere. And we even got the flapper. Oh yeah. That is gonna look awesome. Before we go to painting and putting this thing back together, I wanted to go a little bit more detailed and show you what it took to build this thing. I did it myself. This is a tunnel, track, and slide from a 1990 Polaris Indy snowmobile that had a junk motor. Instead of rebuilding the motor or getting a new one, I decided to go this way because it's a lot more portable for ice fishing. This is just an awesome ice fishing rig. First thing I did was I cut everything off of the snowmobile. Everything. Just Zeused it right off with the lightning wand. Got it all down to this. Kept the chain case. This is the original chain case. Took the brakes off. Don't need brakes. We don't need brakes. Safety third. And I took the jack shaft, cut a hole out here. I ordered this. I didn't know exactly what size it was, so I ordered like 4 different sizes. This was the best size to fit, and it's able to fit right up underneath here without hitting the track. So I had my buddy who's got a machine shop. He machined out this keyway, and we were able to put this sprocket on the jack shaft and then put it all together. And I built this frame. Look at those booger welds. I mean, there's more boogers on this thing than a kindergartner. Again, I will never brag about welding, but it works. This is just a universal mounting plate for the Predator motor. I did find that I needed to put a little bit of support down here. It was starting to flex a little bit, but other than that, it's not bad. Mounted it all up. This has been a really good fishing rig. I highly recommend building one. If you got a junk sled laying around, you can build one of these out of any sled you want. They are so easy, simple to make, and just a lot of fun. Highly recommend. So this is what I got planned for paint. I thought a nice camo, winter camo pattern would be really cool. What do you think, Sterling? Is that track sled gonna work? Yeah? All right, well, stay tuned. We're gonna have more in the weeks to come.
Trucking Outdoors TV with Dave and his dog Sterling and the Big Red Sled is brought to you by D&E Transport. D&E Transport, delivering reliable service with every flatbed load. Welcome to the world of D&E Transport, delivering reliable service with every flatbed load. Based in Clearwater, Minnesota, D&E is hiring qualified company drivers and owner-operators. D&E is proud of their first-class dispatcher team who find the right load and get the drivers home. D&E is backed up by a world-class shop with factory-trained technicians, big company benefits with small company pride. Prompt, personal, professional attention comes in every load with D&E Transport.
Unwind, relax, slow down in the land of woods, waters, and world-class events. The Hayward Lakes area in Sawyer County, Wisconsin. Plan your getaway now at haywardlakes.com.
Are you over 50? Would you like to get up to 33% more income in retirement? Then call now for this free book, Annuity Do's and Don'ts for Baby Boomers, from a leading financial firm on maximizing your income in retirement. That's right, free. This free book reveals little-known secrets about annuity strategies in simple-to-understand terms that will help you make the right choices before buying an annuity. And it's free. Call right now for your free book, and as a bonus, we'll also throw in a free annuity rate report. We researched over 1,200 annuities and summarized the rates and benefits of annuities from financially strong insurers. Again, that's annuity do's and don'ts for baby boomers and a free annuity rate report, both absolutely free for calling Annuity General today. Supplies are limited. Call now.
Call 800-925-1641. That's 800-925-1641.
Trucking Outdoors is brought to you by the Hayward Lakes Visitors and Convention Bureau in beautiful Hayward Lakes, Wisconsin. Woods, water, and world-class events make Hayward, Wisconsin special.
Welcome back to Trucking Outdoors. Let's get back to the adventure on Devil's Lake. Plug in there. Let's see what these little doodads look like. How are you supposed to get these open? Here we go. Well, help it, I can't feel my fingertips. There we go. Oh, it's just like a glow stick. Alright. And shake. Is it working? I think it's working. Oh yeah. She's glowing. Well, if we're changing her up, let's put a minnow on there. Let's go all out. I bought them. Might as well use them. Sorry, little buddy. Okay, go get the fish. There is absolutely so much snow on top of this ice. You pop a hole, and the water just starts coming up through it. The ice is, or the snow is making it sag, pushing water up through the hole. It's crazy. Coffee. We may be heading back in soon. Come on. But I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I can stand the excitement out here. It's crazy. I mean, how can you leave this? This is nuts. Fishing. It's great. I gotta pee. So here's an update. I have drilled right around 2,900 holes. Haven't seen a single fish on the live scope. My back is tired. I'm in the middle of absolute beauty. I am pretty close to right in the middle of the main bay of Devil's Lake out here, and it is amazing. Honestly, I am over top of what the Navionics map shows as a wreck. So I thought, you know what? I'm not seeing any fish. Maybe I can see a sunken boat or something. I don't know. Might as well try. What the heck? Yep. It's like the rest of the day. Nothing on the scoop. Well, it's 2 o'clock. Nothing moving. Going to get some lunch. Gotta go way over there. Way over there. Get some lunch and then finish out the evening fishing somewhere else. Not on this bay. Well, we've run out of road on this adventure, and thank you guys so much for coming along. We'll see you next time, and as always, keep the shiny side up. Right, Sterling?
Thanks for watching Trucking Outdoors TV with Dave and Sterling. Please send us a story idea and say hi when you see the big red sled.
Let's go see America with Trucking Outdoors. Come here. Yeah, come here.